Okay, so I'm using this little pocket screwdriver, flat, to remove this cover right here, to expose the bolt like that. It's one right there. And then there's another one right here that we're supposed to remove. I want to be really gentle. You don't scratch anything. There we go. And then there's two more right here. So we're going to use a 7mm to remove it. There's one, and then the other two into the side. Okay, so after that, we're going to use our hands to pop it open all over the cover, the door panel. There we go. This side too. There we go. It's just going to pop up like that. And then I'm going to remove this. There's a clip right here to remove it. Slowly push it up. There we go. It's popped out. So we just pull it, put the string over, and then take out the, after that, gonna remove the connector. There we go. So there's a push clip right here. Just push it and then just pop it out. And that's our little door panel. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove these two bolts. Put it to the side. For that, we're gonna go ahead and remove the cover completely. Okay, let me see if I can push this up. Yes, I can. So I could move this up because it doesn't work. So I could get to these little bolts right here. So I could take them off. Make sure you be careful. So the reason why I'm pushing it up by hand is because it doesn't work anymore. So that's the reason. Okay, so I'm gonna use this suction cup to put it on the window so it could hold. It won't go down on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two tens to release the window from the brackets or the holder. They look like they're 10mm. Okay, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the connector to the motor. So there's just a little push tab right here. You push it, move it, and then I'm gonna remove this. Oh, there you go. You remove this clip that goes in here. Put it to the side. So after I do that, go ahead and remove the bolts to remove the bracket. Same thing, they're 10mm. There's one here, so one here, and this one. And then these, you just loosen them just a little bit, like that. So after you loosen them, you can move it back to that hole. Same thing here. And then just want to go to the left to bring it on this hole or opening. That's wide. Kind of maneuver it one by one. The brackets. There we go. So there's one side and then another side. There we go. And then let's grab the one side that broke off. It's right here. Look at that. Make sure there's nothing else there. There's, I don't know what this is. It was part of the assembly right here. Okay, so this is our old one. This is another one. Want to compare it to see if it's the same thing. So the thing was already broken. Thing's already broken. On the sides, motor's the same thing. Bolts in the same place. Okay, so here's a new one. Same thing. Want to install it one by one. There's that. After it's in, same thing. These are slightly loose. Want to match them with the hose. So there's one. Go ahead and do the other. There we go. And after that, we'll grab our other bolts and the hand tighten so we get aligned. So there's one. Remember, we can move this around to find the hole. There we go. Same with this one. Okay, after that, we're gonna go ahead and tighten all the bolts. Okay, so you don't want to tighten them too tight because they're 10mm, so they could break off. Okay, after we install the bolts to secure the bracket, we're gonna go ahead and install the connector back. Here, click, and install the little clip into place. After that, we're gonna go ahead and go to the driver's side to bring up the window up, to bring up the bracket up, so we could put the window down and then bolt it into place. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the driver's side, turn the ignition in, and move up the window. Okay, so I installed the connector back, turn on the ignition. I'm gonna go ahead and bring so we could expose the bracket with the bolts. Okay, so I'm gonna use a 10 with this little 1/4" ratchet. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it both sides. So I'm gonna just loosen it, assuming that it's gonna release the bracket holder right there. See? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. Oh, actually just came off. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the window all the way up so we can have space. And then I'm gonna release the suction cup, put it back here again. And that way it won't go down. See? Alright. And after that, I'm gonna remove the assembly, which is this right here. It comes with the whole motor. So we're gonna remove these two tents. Okay, so after that I brought the bracket out, exposed it so where we could tighten it. I'll go ahead and grab the window, make sure it doesn't fall down. Release the suction cup and slowly bring it down to where we meet with the bracket to catch the window. Make sure it's flat. See right there? Make sure it's flat, lower it down, and then we tighten it. Same thing, it's a 10mm bolt, so it doesn't need that much tightening. There we go. Go ahead and tighten the other side. There we go. I'm gonna grab it up so it doesn't move to confirm it's secured. Okay. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and put the cover on. Sure, put this cable through, put it back how it was. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and put that bracket back on. So I figure out how it goes. It says right here up. Start it by hand. Okay. And then we're gonna tighten them. Okay, and then we're gonna tighten them. Okay. After that, we're gonna go get our door panel and install it. Okay, so we have our door panel. Want to make sure all the clips are in there. This one's a little bit back. We're gonna replace it. Okay, so you guys want to make sure all our clips are intact. For that, we're gonna install our cable and our connector for the window switch. There we go. We'll go ahead and install the cable. Okay, so we want to pop this out, put the ball in that place, pull it, little thing is in that circle, and then push into that clip right there. So that, we're gonna install it on top first. Make sure the lock was in that place, like so. There we go. So it's sure it's in there. So that, I'll start pulling it out for the clips to go in its spot. Okay. To that, I'm gonna go ahead and put these bolts back on. Okay. Then we're gonna put the two here. Okay. Then we're gonna install back the cover. Okay. Clip into place. Push it down. It's gonna go on top. Okay. Then we're just gonna put firmware works. Goes down, goes up. And that's how you replace a window regulator assembly. We're gonna clean the window for them as well.